pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze, pass and move, pass and move. Atina shika tina chinjari we groove. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Depth 3 TV. This is our pass and move special. Today we're right here at Luveve Stadium. It's the midweek fixture between Chicken Inn Football Club versus Tel One, the Wi-Fi boys. After we've seen it draw a Mono Mutapa. Remember, this program is proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets, our number one sponsor. Bucho.
Hola.
Mbona number one. You know, singakangena egemeni namhla sibambi i-draw mbijana isiqeda ukuyibona few hours ago ya imono mtapa draw yipi fixture ubona ngani uchazile ohle sikhulume ngeteam ezikhona lapha eLuveve iChicken Inn le Tel One uthi zifixwe la wapi mbona ilokhuzeni iChicken Inn bayinika ingezi
ya iChicken Inn iphiwe ingezi iqeda kusidla 3-2 kuwomoya, but most of the times nxa singapha most of the time Chicken Inn always dominate the game, so that's a game to watch. That's a game to watch because those are two teams which are hungry for something else.
Then iTel One la mina yabona laba bayinika iblanket mine.
It's a easy game for iTel One.
Easy.
It's an easy one.
Blanket top of the central region.
Regardless of that, they are in the Premier League. They are trying to resuscitate their hopes. That's the only hope about something which can motivate them and motivate the fans. So I think it's going to be an easy one to them.
Okay, back to Ikemena Musha. Chicken Inn versus iTel One, the two teams that we're talking about. Sikhuluma ngedraw yelokhuzeni. Uyibona njani? Is a midweek fixture and I'm worried mbona kulabantu I think kule 2 so far sembabonile asebebhadalile ground.
Yeah, i-problem ama midweek fixtures ukuthi iPSL yaphumbu announce ukuthi kulama midweek fixtures ayenze proper advertisement. I think when apana kufuze kube lokho advertisement. But
iPSL yafaka kudala anti kule calendar yaphuma umnyaka uqalisa.
I-calendar bengafaka ama dates lena umnyaka
yabifakiwe ama dates. Ilama dates ukuthi
match week 3
ukuthi match week udlala nge-date engaka. So abantu abayilandi lapho iPSL yayenza kuhle singayigconi.
Hayi
ngoba ingazi advertise iChicken Inn le Tel One ngeSaturday ngeSunday labantu abayi-15:30.
Yabo the engikutsho ukuthi kona nxa i-midweek inje so one i-problem ukuthi i-advertisement should be something which is consistent. You don't say ukuthi ngakhuluma
asomlando we-team like iChicken Inn in this case is the home team ukuthi
both iPSL le Chicken Inn they take a full responsibility for that. But sesiye gaming, I think this is a game where Chicken Inn is to boost their morale ukuthi kona they come from a two games winning and
they're on a roll,
on a run, and they're trying to motivate their fans and win their hearts of their fans because Chicken
Inn. So you mean to say Chicken Inn is taking this one?
Yeah, Chicken Inn is going to definitely with the form Machigagi or Lo Charamba, they're going to take this one.
At least kule fan supporter le Chicken Inn, at least I'm happy ngambona abantu bebuya futhi asiyamushapo.
Ya ngishapo njani.
Izikhipani.
Hayi kunceka.
Lokho samuyihlaziya isicubungula lapha igame namuhla ibona njani Chicken Inn versus iTel One.
Siyababulala lamhla.
Libabulala libanika ngani?
Siyabobanika 2 phela.
2-0 ukhanyela ukuthi Mbano ozaspera anti akwazi kule nto lana futhi Lucky Pets man of the match. Uhlunjele khona Mbano ongaspera Mbano oza ku man of the match ngendlela obona ngayo wena.
Kungaba nguCharamba lamhla.
Uthi yaphinda futhi uCharamba phela kuyiphendeke ku-injury. Sethethe.
Ukufoma.
Ukufoma sethethe. Last week uyothethe futhi 200.
Ngiyethethe.
Uthi namhla uyakhera futhi.
Namhla futhi uyakhera.
Nice one Pula sabe Pula pani.
Bryson.
Alright Bryson, kule nto eyenzakalayo ku Lucky Pets just be on the lookout ukhaya lama socials ungaziwinela something. Ule account ye Lucky Pets.
Hayi kade sayinjalo.
Hlala ukhayele ukhona phana ucheckile ku Facebook ukhayele kule WhatsApp channel futhi eLucky Pets ngapha kuyisearch kwapha uhlala ulunguzile lababukele emakhaya nxa usibukela uhlala ulunguzile ngoba kule nto enyenzakala eLucky Pets masiduze nje kube kuyiniswa into ezimnandi kakhulu.
Alright.
Nice one my brother.
So wena njengomlandeli weChicken Inn iChicken Inn le 2 games iwina uzwa njani ngokuba umlandeli weChicken Inn nxa
nxa usenzala kanje siyajabula kakhulu. cause hayi bese sihlala disappointed emalangeni but wethu awukamanje hayi kungasokuvulekile
but kodwa zokusiba ngcono butho ngathi bese sijwayele uMacLeod selisiba
kule imuntu umtapa cup challenge lana ichicken nifakwe lengezi platinum uyibona njani idrola singaphumelela nje ngechicken inubeke inzima
hayi lapha kungaba nzima sibili but wethu kuphuma singaphumelela
sizabona sokusenzakala thanks bro
nice one bro asibona after Bora i-prediction 2-0 asibona after Bora awufa nice one my brother sharp zero Butchers butho upredict 2-0 and ula upredict uCharamba nguyothatha ukukhuluma umuntu uCharamba
bengikhuluma umuntu kona uCharamba ever since he came in form fight. The good thing about ama players at Chicken right now is that they don't need motivation ka coach much, because as long as you are a senior player, you are the one who's supposed to motivate others, and you are fighting for the place, because much players are good quality players. So if you lapse, you lose your position. So once you are given the opportunity to play, you have to fight for that pitch.
Sakhuluma after acquisition yabo Chirambadare Mkhayeli uthi engadlala namhla efike eqalisa uSpana
last game kadlalanga uSpana uSpana was there in 2015 and he was the top goal scorer, doing very much well. He is a lethal striker. I know that if he's given an opportunity, trust me, he can get something.
So ubona ntwana namhla today bengamjikela deep end.
It would be a good thing ukuthi bemfake ku deep end today, because considering we are go home, then ethole iform so that when you are going against Islanders eseke wathole game time.
Ngiyafika ukhuluma ngeIslanders mbona undoda lo eIsland ethutsha Suitman
skipper nje
uyisiphu rap
amnandi baba
ubona njani igebe namhla iChicken Investors i-Tell1
i-Tell1 aso team engani singayikhangelela phansi ngoba ngendlela esidlala ngayo malanga lawo aso team yokukhangelelwa phansi, so but engubonayo in favor of Chicken sengathi 2-1 my Chicken iyadlala kahle but ngeke udlala kahle draw match
namuhla sikhuluma lapho lobutho i-draw isiphumile eMono Mtapa
ngibonile
iChicken bayinike ingezi
khona phala yikho ukuthi kunzima kakhulu
ndiyabi
khona phela uvele kunzima kakhulu lawe nje uyazi ingezi it's a team of the moment. So far loba uthiwa kule Scotland, but now vele i-team ekhangelelweyo i-team ebulalayo in terms of football ngoba ayisayini lutho ingezi platinum.
Ngiyakwazi ke sakhuluma e-studio, ngiyakwazi thuzathini isizathu esenze ngakubiza ubutho uthi igame leza be moral booster ukuthi ngeSunday babe siyathatha i3 points eBF yiko nhle ngathi na uMasuthu uthi Sunday bathatha i3 points la bathatha i3 points Sunday babe siyaqedisa le yabe si moral booster.
Singazi ukuthi ma ukuthi Chicken ini yona yabe buye ngemaybe ngethwa kuyinlockship mayibuye ngeescape ngoba thina sidla abantu ababuya ngeprivate jet ababuya nge10 minutes
usamthala ukhuluma la emthala sinye usondelela bona bazabana asilandawa besaje ngena mjalo uzimele sentara bas sikhuluma lababukeli mthala silande ilokhuzeni iChicken Investors Tell1 angazi wena usupporter yaphi namuhla besanyela lapha lo bro wami lapha bese sikhayela igame yeChickenini leyayilinda ngeSunday, but wena mbona uthutsha lapha mana mbuza umjala uthi igame namuhla iChicken Investors Tell1 uyibona njani mjala wami?
Hayi izabe inzima zonke zidinga ama points. Angisupport mina coach
ungicoach uneutral uzobona nje ama tactics ukuthi undira upheka kanjani
kakhulu.
So ngike prediction ngokubona kwakho nxa unga predict 1-1 awu coaches place ucoach mbani bizo
Wellington Ngulube
Z-Sports Global hayi lizwele uWellington Ngulube ucoach we-Z-Sports Global uthi ungaba yi1-1 it's just playing itself. Coach alo nyawathi lina livunyela ukubheja but sile ilucky bets ilucky bets kulento emaduze njalo eyabi iziwinisa. Ngicela ulandele ama socials elucky bets just to make sure ukuthi la uhlala uthile, maybe sungatshela abanye ukuthi bewina ababhejayo ubatshela ukuthi beyenze njani. Siyabonga asibona after kusibona uyaphuma yini
kulungile siyabonga.
Nice one mthala basuthu busaqedisa lapha ngothi bona nxa bebuye ngeship
ukuthi ubutho nje umane wabaleka kade ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi
kabalekanga nangu khona ukuthi
akeze eduzane mina ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi abantu ababuya ngejet ukuthi 20 minutes kulento ethiwa i-aeroplane but kulento ethiwa i-jet lena ethiwa i-fast jet andawo ayibona kuthiwa i-fast jet ukuthi 10 minutes babacabangela ukuthi 20 minutes bebe sebekhona khona bengasebedini ma i-team enjalo ingadla bona bana lina ke labelibuye ngani ngeshipho
uyabona lapha into eyalimotivate kakhulu i-eco cash kwakule eco cash kade sakusela eco cash kade sikuyaso kuyithi lana esikhangeleni wesinto efuze uyazi ukuthi abafana labana yidebi bachona bonke badlala bonke bakhombisa amankazana afana nayo yonke indawo so babe kwanisa ukuthethisana eground bechokana ngabe ground ama motivations abechiyeni labana bebedlala abantu abangazwanane kahle abanye besuka kachana so that's the advantage abayitholileyo ukuthi khona bekwanisa ukuthi be dominate that game but this one is now different wesesilispani lathwa ispana esilokha ipopochani yazi ipopochani evula lapho ungavuleki khona.
Alright, asiqede nini igame namuhla ngiyalizwa ngesande sabe sisonke dini asiqede nini namuhla
yeah before siqeda lonto la uthi la untonye kakhulu untonye kakhulu iqiniso uyabona njani thina besithi umonga li player kuphela besingakwazi umonga le dance uyabulala but sambone dancer versus chickenini this time I was a dancer kakhulu ngoba uya chicken vele ngobona udlula play uzuza space sokudansa sabe sizenzela
alright asiqede nini igame namuhla uthe ichicken nxa idlalile yawuna 2-1 nxa idlale kubi 1-1
1-1 akudliwi ngeke idle
ubuthi uthe 2-0 asibone nini ukuthi after Bora ukuthi kebe kuzale inkomo angazi ukuthi any
yeah I think this is a game where chicken has to prove themselves ukuthi kona they are now ready for the championship even in behlekile ukuthi kona bekwanisa uthatha league because considering lapha esikhona ku league we are now fighting for better positions so I think there's an opportunity eshibuku there's an opportunity lokuze nini eMunumtapa so this is the time where they can rectify all the errors and win the hearts of the fans back so that we can go forward and progress and remember that iChickenini is sponsored by Lucky Bets and Lucky Bets is the sponsor of Pass and Move special so remember to like and subscribe or even nxa uhlalele in the comfort of home there is luckybets.co.za nxa ufuna ukuthi uzibethele Chickenini win versus try Wi-Fi boys so iyawina kade iChickenini you can bet on that it's a show man trust me that's a show man
asibone after Boruta ufa
sharp
sweet
it's 3 out of 3 ama wins
we're feeling great it can only be God when it's time yeah and everyone can sense it it's our time now yes
congratulations for being the man of the match what can you say about that
we've been working hard each and every day for these days people had said these guys are not doing well but right now we've picked our form I hope also you can see that we are really in good shape now yeah the train will keep moving thank you
the next match is Highlanders what can you say about that
we're in good spirit they're in good spirit also we are confident that we definitely win but most less for defenders we're going to keep a clean sheet that's one is obvious thank you
congratulations go and enjoy sir
Coach Aro
How are you, sir? Good evening.
Evening, Coach Aro. Seripelile 1-1.
Yes.
Chicken iwinile 1-0. Ibone njani?
No, it was an evenly balanced game, entertaining match. Moments of the game you watch here. Chicken Inn got about 3 moments of the game. They scored 1 out of 3 clear-cut chances.
Wena uthe uzopick up some okunye izinto okuncane. Kukhona yini okubonileyo onga improve team yakho siyaphambili lapho?
Yeah, kakhulu. You always check how people do their defensive play, their attacking play, but I still feel equality of strikers. Iyaleka in general. I think this is my 9th game in this stadium ever since I came for my holidays. I just think with the quality strike force in our country. Yeah, equality, yes. It means the country this time ile dry spell yamas good strikers.
Mbuzo omunye umbuzo ukhathalona nje umuntu ocoach ibhola.
Yebo.
Ubuya ka Edmo Chirambadare ku Chickenini.
Yeah, there is
something.
Yes, there's some improvement. I guess he's the person who scored. If I'm not sure, no, it's not the person.
It's not the person who
he came in the second half, injured. but kade soncane kule path.
The one umpabanga odlala ngo left.
Okay, or from South Africa.
From South Africa, yes.
Okay,
That's the
okay.
question in Buza.
Yeah, I hope with the time, 2-3 games down the line, he will add some value. He will add some value. If coaches sign new players, they sign them. Mid-season signing is for value addition, not for training. Yeah.
Vara coach.
Yeah.
We are having overall performance from both teams. Uthi izinga liya when ngawukhayile ngelihlo labo coach ukuthi izinga liyakhwela ne PSL or
Yeah, it's fair, really, except for striking. It's not only this game alone. I'm talking about several games. I've watched Bulawayo Chiefs here. I've watched other visiting teams, Bulawayo Chiefs, Chicken Inn. You would find that all teams in the country, there is a problem of strike force.
okay.
Yes.
Coach Lukara problem strike force.
Have a nice time. Yeah, I'm going back to my team. Siyakwenza pre-season now in August.
Okay, thank you. All the best, Coach Sharon. Thank you. Uye mkumanya ndoro timbo kuti kawatawa. Madi.
Zviri sese.
Mushe sei.
Aiwa mbijana.
Game wari wana sei nasi.
Ya game zviri kupromisa kuti Chicken Inn inenge ikuita zviri nani. Coach anenge akuona kuti zvaita kumashure zvinenge zvanga zvisiri right.
Zviri zvakasiyana.
Coach game airasika too much defensive.
Saka muchibva pagame ranhasi tichienda pagame reweekend.
To expect a win, not a draw. Anofanira kukonza kuti ma-supporters akakosha. Every time takagoisa takunodefenda one goal. Right, the strikers kana tichilida.
Okay, lucky batsman of the match aita Mabhunu. Was it fair?
It was very fair. Aiwa Mabhunu atamba.
Thank you so much. Saka we are hoping for the win against Islanders. Pane munhu mutapa Chicken Inn iswa nengezi Platinum. Maiona se draw yana.
Aiwa iripo tofana kuwina. It is makapa ya tofana kuwina.
Sapa ngezi dziri kubuda.
Pangezi dziri kubuda. Fair. Coach akasabaisa chini.
Alright, thank you so much.
Alright, asataenda mvuzo wabo pezisira. Ndaibvunza vanhu kuti kuuya kwamaplayer anofanana sanga anozwa Chirambadara.
Yeah, at least
does it add value to the team Chicken Inn? Was one saying?
Yeah, at least my senior players vakapinda match yakunopera papa vanopa vafana vadikichi a bit of confidence mavari sema senior players vari right ma senior players achiuya
Aye, tinotenda mukoma.
Well, thanks so much mukoma. Enjoy your day. Congratulations for 3 points.
Thank you. Buto.
Eta.
Nampo yazvera abantu bakhuluma into esikhuluma ngayo leya. Ukungena kwa Chirambadare ubonile play yonke Chicken Inn ubonile from start to finish. Overall assessment a game from your perspective. Yeah,
generally the performance was fair. It was fair for a supporter's view. You cannot complain much because you're not playing alone. Obviously, some expectations are high, and the other team have expectations are and it brought in some value, though you could see the touches which he was making, even though you can see with Agagacha combination with the players going forward. I think he can do better than what he did today, but he wasn't up to his Chirambadaromu, but I believe that he can improve. Yeah, you know, Fananda Banyuvera in South Africa. As I'm born in Rasmus, a combination and old people, I think young ladies are cool. It's Chicken Inn, and the Uraba Fanaman or Jabuturan Joseph. They can learn a thing or two from you. But in the that I was only worried about who Chicken Inn. Ubonile defensive play, it had 1 second half. Ibisibuya Malo Putin. My chances to create. I was worried that Chicken Inn is a consider, but fortunately enough, they did not consider the collected the maximum points. The very about first half, to battle some chance. Uchocho could depend on one. Could depend on the dinger. Yeah, a penalty. Whenever you miss a penalty, it drains some energy from you and some confidence. Sorry, some energy and some confidence from you. But I'm glad they managed to come up and continue to build up and manage to score that goal, which gave them confidence. And even though they were supposed to score more goals, like ukocha which took on ama strikers, they are a bit low. Ngathi wakona ama strikers they were bebukhali bebezakwanisa ukuhlohla something okuzakwenza ukuthi kona bebe confident up to the last minute, because now we 1-0 the opposite team which is losing iyakwanisa ukufaka pressure believing for a draw, like what was happening.
Sutman,
ava
uyibone njani chicken?
chicken ini kahle ngasho ukuthi chicken ini ayikho that much I protect winning yayo. Kala bathi mele win too much wasted chances. Kade mele winning 4 or 5 but they lose ama chances ade mele bewafaka angene more than 6 chances. So kuba nzima khona ukuthi kade kuzaba kuhle next game win 4 kade uyahamba be motivated.
Sesivala sesizwile ngali bad news ezivela eCariba ngale ubule uBhuro besithi uxolise bro wami wena wayala ukuthi waxolisa Sithole if sivela dliwa yakho ebikuhlanyisa ivikile ubona ukuthi going to iSunday ifixture Chicken versus Islanders iChicken ivela kuwin iIsland ivela dliwa ngesame score and iChicken ewine ngayo kuyezala nkomoni
ukuthi it's a Bulawayo derby njalo iIslanders most of times EPF wayithwa yasinda isebenzisa stadium isebenzisa ama-fans. iIslanders idlala ngo-13 players including ama-fans. So yiko ngithi Chicken ini kube kuthiwa iwine namhla because ngale ama-chances ayo kuwina azabanzima.
Ngosuthe 13 sufana lo ref.
A 12th player. My sister ngabuya senza interview ngofoni.
12th player. All right. There you have it, guys. But sesi wrap up. Ama-fans vele sebezikwazi Chicken ungabuye 2 or 3.
Yeah, was Choli.
The contribution esitholile I think
it's
very much
just
valuable.
boy.
Abantu babe
uyafuna but yatonta.
ngifuna sivala. There you have it, guys. Ifans reaction after a game in the Chicken in the third one. The Chicken in 1-0. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section. This episode was proudly brought to you by a Lucky Bet. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.
Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move.